If your control cabinet looks like a game of Tetris, you need the Lenza i510. This compact powerhouse is just 60 mm wide and 130 mm deep, making it the perfect fit for space-constrained applications. But don't let its small size fool you. This inverter packs a punch with scalable functionality for a wide range of industrial uses. From conveyor drives to pumps and fans, the i510 has got you covered. It supports up to 15 kilowatts and offers versatile connections, including one AC 230V, 3 AC 230V, and more. Plus, with zero clearance mounting, you can squeeze it into the tightest of spaces. Say goodbye to complicated setups. The i510's innovative interaction features like WLAN connectivity allow for record-breaking commissioning times and convenient diagnostics. Configure and troubleshoot your inverter right from your smartphone. How cool is that? Need to ensure compliance? The i510 meets the requirements of the Eco Design Directive and standard EN IEC 61809-2, making it an eco-friendly choice for your business. Efficiency and sustainability have never been this easy, so why settle for less? Revolutionize your control cabinet with the Lenza i510 frequency inverter. Compact, versatile, and user-friendly, this is the future of motor control. Ready to upgrade? Visit our website and download the brochure to learn more. The Lenza i510, small in size, big on performance.